Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Papi Mangu, El Mangu to your investments, man. And today we're gonna take a look at the charts. We're gonna do some technical analysis. We're gonna figure out what the hell is going on with the markets, man. Because we had a little relief rally right here. This is just a quick 10% push up after being, guys, after being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks going down. 9 consecutive down weeks. That's insane. And just so you guys know, that's actually a first time that's ever happened in history of Bitcoin. 9 weeks we're just going down, 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 just getting rejected, played, manipulated. We don't like manipulation. We don't. It makes us sad. It makes us sad as hell. But hey, we're never ever gonna keep going down forever. That's one thing that I will assure everybody. Because eventually we will build the support we need. And we've been here before. We have been here before, guys. Look at this. Look at what happened here. Remember what happened here? How long did this last? This lasted from May until mid-July. From May until mid-July. So it was May. What was that? The beginning of May? In the middle of May. So it's kind of like it was like 2 months. This has only been us on the same thing, but this is the beginning of May. This happened in the beginning of May, and now we're in June. This is the second month of just down, and we'll see what happens. The technical analysis is still looking good. It's still looking, because we still have this downtrend line. We still got to break out of it. Hey man, I would say give it some time. It looks like we still got all of June to break out of here, unless we go down this yellow line. If we go down this yellow line, obviously we still have this purple line to really support us. But hey, you never know, man. You never know what happens next. Now Ethereum is still looking pretty strong too. You see this red line right here. We're still above it, which is good. When we're in between the purple line, which is not that good. It's not that good, because all in all, we don't want to go below it, because if we do go below it, our next target would really be 13, 16. It would be more 1600, 15, 1600, and then going down to 1300, and then yeah. But hey, I don't know, man. I don't know what could happen next. I don't know what could happen now. But what I do know is that you can keep buying, and when you keep buying, that means you're buying in cheaper. So that way, when your money goes up, when the crypto market, this isn't just for cryptos, for stocks too. When your stocks go up and your crypto go up, and you've been buying it since it was going down, you're eventually gonna see it go higher than what you expected, because you're just buying and buying and buying. You're buying every dip, and every dip is gonna pay off when it reaches its all-time highs. Now, recently, guys, I just bought into Apple. I recently bought into Apple. I saw it around the 140 range, so I just bought it. Right now, it's at 147. So I'm obviously up. I timed the bottom. I didn't do any technical analysis really. I just saw that Apple was down, and obviously Apple's a fucking powerhouse. I have a fucking iPhone right here. I have another one right here. You probably watching this on an iPhone, and if you're not, it don't matter. You still know that Apple's a powerhouse. But anyway, we're just looking at the TA. We're still, we bounced off this yellow line. I would say from actually here going down is what we should be really looking at. So we could be consolidating in between here. Whatever happens. Hey, whatever. Right now, honestly, what I could say is that we're below this support line right here. We're below the support line right here, which means as long as we're below here, that's kind of a buy indicator. Not financial advice, just my opinion. We're in a buy signal every time we're down this line right here. because when we go above this line, obviously this is the high end. This is like this is literally a good trading opportunity. If you buy here and say, for example, we do break out and go back to all-time high, that's a nice 22% return on your money. A nice 20% return on your money. All right. Now let's go Tesla. Tesla, I've been buying my Tesla. Not an actual Tesla. I've just been buying the Tesla stock, but Tesla actually broke down its yellow line from its long-time trend right here. It couldn't keep a high, so it couldn't keep a high low, so it formed a lower low. We actually might have to edit this out, move it a little out, because guys, the purple line is still intact. We haven't gone below it, but right now we're in this little channel. Could we see more pain coming in? Yes, we could see more pain. I don't know if folks saw yesterday the stock news, but Jamie Dimon, the CEO of JP Morgan, is saying that, hey, we need to brace ourselves. We could see some more economic downturn coming up. Could see another 10% drop in the stock market. So I hope you guys are prepared for that. We might need to touch up on this for sure. Let me see. Yeah, we're gonna have to touch up on this. So let's remove all the drawings here. This is Cardano, guys. Cardano had a nice little rally yesterday. It went up like 20% here. What is it? What was this? So starting from here up. Oh shit! Like a 50% rally. That's crazy. That's crazy. So if you did buy that bottom at 45, say you put $100 in there, you just made $50. If you put $1,000 in there, you just made $500. It's all about, in terms of trading, it's about timing. In terms of trading, it's about buying in with the technical analysis. If you do understand technical analysis and you wanna really start trading, I would highly suggest just like learning how to match patterns. This is really easy. This is a really easy process. It doesn't take like at all. It doesn't take that much to really learn how to do technical analysis. All you really have to do is just draw the patterns, draw lines around the patterns, see what happens. In my opinion, this is going all the way back to the March 2020 crash. I would make this a purple line. We're still above it, which is good, which is great. Well, now that I recently drew it back in, but hey, it's great. We are gonna consolidate through here, like I said, all the way, just like I showed you in Bitcoin, all the way through the end of June. That's when we could see a relief rally, maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't know. But there's a lot of catalysts indicating that maybe next week we could see a nice relief. ApeCoin is too early to do some technical analysis unless we go on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, if we go on the 4-hour chart, I guess. What would you do? This is what I would do. Let's see. ApeCoin right here. That's pretty much all I could do for ApeCoin. So we're coming down. We came down a lot. I hope you guys been buying this coin. I've been buying. Not financial advice, but I have been buying this coin. Just full disclosure, I do have belief in this coin because it's the Bored Ape Yacht Club coin, and obviously, as you guys know, if you're an NFT fan, the Bored Ape Yacht Club is a very, very, very popular NFT, and you know, if it's a popular NFT, you want to buy it. You want to have whatever they have, and this is the best you can do in terms of holding something similar to the Bored Ape Yacht Club that's not overly expensive. Sitting around, what is that, $6? Sitting around $6, dude. Buy it. Not my opinion. You know, just financial. Not advice. Just financial opinion. Whatever the fuck. I don't care. You guys know what you're doing. You guys should know what you're doing especially when you're in this market. Now, Algorand. Algorand, as you guys know, I am very bullish on Algorand. It's very low right now. It's sitting at 38 cents, way below where it should be. But it just keeps going down and down and down. But hey, Algorand, they're doing their thing. On the back end, they're doing their thing. You don't want to discount them. If you see it this low, you would want to buy. You would want to buy it because it's just gonna keep going. It's gonna come back up eventually. When the bull run comes, when Bitcoin goes to 50,000, all these guys are not gonna be in the same spot. It's gonna be higher where it's at. It's gonna probably be fucking double where it's at right now. Double, triple, quadruple. You never know. You really never know. AMP, I should take this off because I don't really follow AMP. Cosmos actually came down from its all-time high wick. This is a rising wedge, but that we failed to complete, or we not really failed to complete, but like we just kept going and going. This is from all the way from March 2020. Obviously, eventually we're gonna come down heavily. So let's actually move this like that. Turn this into our purple line. Now, as you can see, we have a better understanding of where this market could go. Let me move this up here. Move this over here. Yeah. So kind of still, you know, still rising, still a good rising wedge. We haven't formed a lower low in terms of from here to here. But in terms of from here to here, we did. But that's not to worry, guys. We still have a lot of time to go. I would draw a line right here to indicate a resistance. So let's make this yellow. Yep, right around here. And that just kind of puts the roof on it. It puts the roof on Cosmos. Wherever it might go, it could stop right there, and that's at the from right now at $9 to $20. That's 100% return on your money right there. So if you buy now and wait till it goes back up here, whenever that is, that's already a double up. So you guys do the math. Oh shit! Axie Infinity actually dropped down another 50%. I might actually just buy some more because I bought when it was at 40. I thought that was the bottom line, but no, it's not. No, it's not. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna keep buying because now that it's at $20 compared to it being at its all-time high at what 160. I've seen this shit as high as like 200 something. Oh, I don't want that. I've seen it go as high as 200 something. No, not really. I guess not. I don't know where I've seen it. But still, from here till its all-time high, let's do the math. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. That's 8x. That's an 8x return on your money from $20 all the way up, going all the way up to 166. That's a lot. That's a lot of gains. That's a lot of gains that you should just really just be patient. You just be patient, guys. And let's actually do the technical analysis. Since we broke down from here, let's remove the drawings. Let's go from here, obviously, all the way through here. That's our purple line. That's our floor. That's our floor price, our floor trend. That's what I'm gonna call it now. And then going from here, I would actually start it here. There it is. So we're going into the X factor, the X, whatever. I forgot what the fuck I called this before. But hey, we're gonna go into this apex. We're gonna get squeezed, and like I said, like I showed you in Bitcoin, if you look down here, look at the date. If you look at the date, it says June 24th. So, like I said, the end of June is going to really determine if we're gonna have a nice relief rally before the end of June. And if we go more down in June, then we're gonna see more downward movement in July. Probably going into August, September, October. It's all about patience, guys. Just have patience, man. Just have patience. Be and believe. I need to start investing into BNB. I don't have any type of I don't have any money in BNB at all, which is terrible. It's not good because BNB is a great coin. Don't sleep on Binance. Do not sleep on Binance. Do not sleep on Binance. So if you really want to get technical, if you plot it out right here, from here all the way to where it's at right now, that's how it's looking. We were very undersold. We were oversold over here, but coming back up, we saw some relief. Now we're right where we are right now. Generally, what I would say is, sorry, I'm tired, guys. You see how this is right here? Yep. You see? This goes all the way out to August, though. So I'm gonna actually move this like that. And that fixes it for July. Middle of July, we might see some changes, some movements. Let me actually change this actually. From right here, from the COVID 2020 crash. July, yep, you see like the beginning of July. So sometime in June or the beginning of July, we're gonna see if we're gonna break upwards or break downwards, and that's just all part of the game. The Bitcoin dominance is actually rising, which means that the market cap for Bitcoin is overpowering. The market cap for Bitcoin is overpowering the altcoins and Ethereum. So if you see this go above 50%, obviously you're gonna see Bitcoin's number rise. Chronos, I don't really care for Chronos, so I'm gonna take you out. Dogecoin, our lovely Dogecoin, which is very sleepy. Our sleepy Doge. I don't even know what I should do with Dogecoin, guys, because Dogecoin is just, it's just not impressing me anymore. But don't be discouraged if you hold the Dogecoin bag. Hey, keep holding, man. Keep fucking holding. Do not sell. Never sell. If you sell, you lose. And that's what I don't want for you guys. If you guys are really in this game, if you're in it to win it, you're holding. You're holding, you're never selling. And this is where we want to be looking at. Like I said, guys, look for wherever this is. This is in June, the end of June. Like I said, mid-June, we could see that relief rally. You never know. IoTex, I don't really care for IoTex. Luna, nobody cares for Luna anymore. You see what the fuck happened. You see what happened here. Oh my god. Oh man. Where was I? Okay, Matic. You know we love our Matic. Alright, let's see. From the COVID crash, the 2020 crash. Let's draw that minus. I would more generally put it here actually. Alright, yeah, so as you can see, same ordeal, just waiting. Again, Microsoft actually came down. And speaking of Microsoft lowers fourth quarter guidance citing unfavorable foreign exchange rates. What does that mean? Jim Cramer, you gotta love this fucking guy. Wall Street expecting quarter four revenue of $520 billion and the EPS. This is all just blah 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 blah. I don't care. I don't care about news, guys. That's honestly my point. I don't care about news. I care about charts. Are the charts looking healthy? Is the on-chain metrics looking healthy? In terms of like companies, like stock companies, yeah, the news matters a lot. You want to do your research on CNBC. You want to see what the fuck is going on with the company. Do your research. News. But over consuming the news is only going to overwhelm you. So I would say, sometimes take a break from the news. Just look at the chart or don't even look at anything at all. You're just going to see everything go down. Everything's just going to keep going down, and all you have to do is wait. If you wait, you'll win. That's just my opinion. Same thing with Shiba Inu. Apparently the creator of Shiba Inu these are just rumors. I don't know if it's real or not, but the creator of Shiba Inu just sold, not sold, but he kind of backed down. He deleted himself off the face of the earth, off social media. So I don't know what to say about Shiba. I don't know what's going on. Solana went down again. I think when people said it went down, but I think in terms of down, I think they mean like the network went down, because Solana's network always goes down. So, and when that happens, obviously the price gets affected. Now we're at $40. I bought in around like 45. Which was it was a good buy for me. I'm gonna keep buying some more, because obviously from 40 to where Solana's all-time high was like 260. From 40, from where it's at right now, so you buy right now and you wait until the all-time high, that's a 5x return on your money, and maybe more, because Solana is projected to go even higher than where it's at, than its all-time high. Could go to 300, could go to 500, could go to 1,000. You never know. You just gotta hold and wait for your opportunity. Don't wait to buy in. That's what most people forget to do. Well, that's what most people do in general. They wait. They want to wait. They want to see if they could get in at a much better price. And in my opinion, that's just stupid. That is stupid, because there's no better price than where it's at right now. Everything's already down. So why not keep buying where it's at? And if it goes down even more, don't sell it. Buy more. It's really how you play the game. The more it goes down, the more you want to buy, rather than the more you want to sell. Because if you're selling as it's going down, you're playing like you're doing the dumbest decision in the world. Because it makes no sense to sell when it's going down, when you obviously it's gonna fucking go back up eventually. So to me, it just makes no sense. Retail investors are stupid. You want to be smart money. If you want to be the next millionaire, billionaire, your best bet is to keep buying in, and wait 5 to 10 years. Within 5 to 10 years, I'm not gonna promise you this, but I assure you, you're gonna be living much wealthier than you did now. Investing now will lead you to greater things in the future, because prices are going to go higher eventually. All right. Now let's check out the total market cap of crypto. It's obviously it came down. This was a bear flag. It came down even more. Maybe this might be another bear flag where we come down a little more as well. In my opinion, I don't think that's gonna happen. I don't think it's gonna happen. The worst we could see is being in like the 900 billions, but we probably won't go any lower than that. The lowest we could go is right there at 815,000. I'm not even going to do much technical analysis here, because it's obviously just doing technical analysis on Bitcoin. VeChain, same thing. Obviously, you see this bear flag. Not much to really do, but to wait and see. XRP, still fighting the case, but obviously their case is going to be... I have high hopes in their case. They're going to definitely... Let me take this off. They're definitely gonna beat the case, bro. I know they're gonna beat that case, because the SEC is not gonna get away with all their hypocrisy. Everything that they stand for, it's definitely not. They don't stand for us. They don't stand for the retail investor. They don't care about us. All they want to do is try to fuck us up. That's their thing. And hey, the US dollar is coming down. It came down from its all-time high at 104. Well, not all-time high, but its recent high at 104. Who knows? Maybe this could be a cup and handle signal. It could come up again and then keep going even higher, because people are selling a lot more. S&P 500. Let's check on the daily. On the daily, it's coming down today, as you can see. Oh, where the hell did it go? Okay, yeah, here it is. So Dow Jones is down 0.5, S&P down 0.2, Nasdaq surprisingly up just 0.3%. 0.5%, and the Russell 2000 is up as well. Fed Vice Chair Leo Brainerd says it's very hard to see the case for the Fed pausing rate hikes. Yeah. The Fed raised hikes again. They're gonna keep raising the rates. They're gonna raise rates. They're gonna keep on doing it. And honestly, in my opinion, I hope that they don't stop. If they really want to save the economy, they need to sacrifice the economy. And by that, and this was, if you go on Heresy Financial, he said the same. Joe Brown said the same thing. He said the same thing that I've been thinking. Banks and companies need to go under in order for us to strive further. Banks and companies that are not innovative, that are pointless, that are just there for, I don't fucking know, need to go under, because there's no reason why banks need to be bailed out. There's no reason why. You shouldn't be bailing out banks, because we don't even have the money to bail our own country out. So why are we bailing out banks if we can't bail out this own country? It makes no sense to me at all. Let the banks die. Let them die, bro. Let natural selection happen. If a bank goes under, let them go under. If JP Morgan goes under, I don't think they're gonna go under, because they're actually integrating crypto assets and finances, and their crypto financial advisors actually advising people to invest more into Bitcoin and crypto, which is a bullish sign. Very bullish. Do Kwon unlikely to face prison for 60 billion UST wipeout, but could pay dearly. Man, fuck. That whole Terra thing really fucked people up, bro. I'm kind of glad that I didn't invest. I invested a little bit, like around like $50 to $100, right before it crashed, at around $90, $50. When it was at $90, $50, I thought I was just gonna keep going higher, but obviously it tanked. Unfortunately, and I feel bad for everyone that lost money. Nasdaq as well down. It looks like it's down right here, but hey, man, that's all I really have. That's all I can show you guys. What do you guys think of this market, man? Like, let me know your thoughts and comment down below. Like and subscribe to the channel if you like this content. I'll be posting more often. I have been dormant as usual. I always go dormant for a while, and then I come back out of nowhere and post a video. But man, I'm just trying to learn how to be consistent. I just get tired. But and I don't know if like it's just technical analysis in general. I need to find some other things to really put into this channel. I don't cover the news much. Maybe I could start doing that. Let me know what you guys think. Should I cover more news? Should I cover more technical analysis? Should I look at on-chain data? Let me know your thoughts, and I will attend to them. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you watched and stuck through the whole thing, like I said, like and subscribe to the channel. Check out my links down below in the description to see my affiliates, get some free stocks, get some free crypto, and start investing. And hey, check out my social media at mangu.investor on Instagram, where you could reach me directly and talk to me and just ask any questions about the market. I'll be happy to answer them. And that's it. Peace out, guys.